These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is provided for educational purposes only. Hello everyone, welcome back to we missed this trade, man. Holy crap. Yeah. Welcome back to another trading session. Okay, I'm taking the trade right now. We finally get the chance to get into this beautiful trade. Today's session is going to be very short. And as you can tell, my target is always 50k most of the time. And I'm aiming to have a nice withdrawal today. And yeah, I think this is the shortest session I've ever had. Yeah, let's see. And that was a beautiful trade. And I will also screenshot this for my little journal and as a winning trade. I also want to announce to everyone that the mentorship intake will be open, meaning I will take some new students. In case you have planned to join, just join the first link in the description. That's the official Telegram channel that every announcement and everything will be there. So if you plan to join, make sure you join there. All right. I technically hit my target and I don't want to overtrade. If I end this session right here, it's going to be the shortest session in the history. So I want to just try to analyze the chart for you a little bit. This is a demand. Let's see what we have here. All right, we are in the demand zone right now. Okay, we passed like crazy and this is going to be oh, it's going to close on the next candle. So my bad. This was a mistake by me, but we do have a little gap down. I will keep the amount very, very small because I don't want to overtrade and ruin my chance to have a nice little withdrawal. Oh, this is also 60%. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to keep looking, take some trades, try to explain each and every single one of them. And okay, this is a beautiful doji break. I want to take another 100 on this one, which I missed. The entry. Yeah, let's just keep moving. See if I can find a beautiful trade. This is a beautiful common point of rejection. There's a point about common point of rejection. Oh, that was a win. Yes, that was a winning trade. This trade right here, this beautiful gap down. You see when we have gap down, it's a confirmation for buyers to get into the chart. So yeah, what was I was talking about common point of rejection. So I want to give you a little hint on that. Basically, when you want to take common point of rejection, we always aim for a ranging market. This is called ranging market. So this is a type of ranging market which is kind of going up, but in general, this is a ranging market. And you need to analyze the chart first. For example, here we have been coming up, and then all of a sudden we created this QM. It reacted from the QM, and then this QM zone became somewhere that the price resisted to pass. Okay, and then after a while, this is broken by this movement in the chart. Okay, and inside this movement, before the breakout happens, we do have some zones. For example, we do have this zone, which is an order block. Right? If you look closer, there's a fair value gap. The candle before fair value gap is going to be order block. Also, order block should cause a significant breakout, which is causing it with this spike. Okay. Next time price touches this order block, it makes a beautiful opportunity. But right now the zone is already drawn. So this is a place that the buyers are sitting. Okay. And then all of a sudden I see this beautiful doji created right here. And immediately I'm looking for something about this doji. Okay, so the best case scenario in this chart, it would be doji being broken, not entering immediately for a buy, even though this is a beautiful doji break, you would find your entry inside this order block. So you're giving yourself some space as margin of safety. Take your trade somewhere inside the order block. Okay? Let me check the lower time frame on this one as well. All right. Okay, we're gonna have a third touch breakout right here, but we don't have nice little higher high for the third touch breakout. And also we're in the downtrend, so it's going to be a little bit risky. This was beautiful gap down, starting on the round number. This was beautiful, and especially the previous candle doesn't create a lower low. That's a good one. If you have a gap down, you want to take a trade in the gap, the candle starting on a level, and if your previous candle hasn't created a lower low compared to previous low, that's a good sign for us to take a buy. This trade would be amazing to take, especially I'm kind of excited to have a trouble. You can tell it by my voice. Yeah, so this is a demand zone, and the price is starting right inside the demand, right at the middle, the round number, and this is a gap down, and this would be amazing to take with the buyers. Let me just do my little withdrawal. So I feel much better to take my regular amount trades, okay? Because I promised myself when I hit my take of profit, I'd never want to go take reckless trades. I want to do. All right. Let me get my little code. 6, 8. Let's go. Boom. Oh shit. Let me get the pen. Oh. All right, I'm gonna go back. Yeah, now I feel better. Now I feel better. All right. Yeah. It's always best to, like, you hit your TP, just put the withdrawal request into place, and then you'll feel much better. All right. All right. If you look here, we do have a little third touch breakout, but there's a momentum coming down. Also, if you zoom in, you'll see a little gap up, which is a negative confirmation for us. We have positive confirmation and also negative confirmation. If you aim for a buy, you want to look for gap downs, not gap ups. If you see gap up, it means sellers can take over the candle. All right, so again, if you look, this is a resistance area which is broken, the demand causing the breakout. So if you find anything inside this, it would be nice. How many trades did we take? 2 trades. Okay. Sorry for interruption. At the time that I'm looking for a trade, I just want to have a quick reminder that the new intake for the mentorship has started and there's a special offer going on. If you're interested, please check the Telegram channel for more details. Okay, I'm gonna take this. And yeah, this is a common point of rejection as I explained earlier. We do have a ranging market. And then inside that ranging market, we have a little smaller ranging market. We draw the common point of rejection. Do not disappoint me. Thank you. Yeah. And then after drawing the common point of rejection, you always better enter below the common point of rejection. Sometimes we do have some round number intersecting your common point of rejection. It's better even enter below the round number to even secure your trade even more. Okay. And if you have red-green pattern alongside your common point of rejection, that's an extra confirmation for you to take your trade. Again, do not miss the Telegram channel. That's the first link in the description. I'm going to finish this session right here. We took 3 trades and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like and peace out.